Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We back with another one. Yo, you know what I'm saying? We back in the live, man. I had to come. I had to give y'all an emergency video today. You know what I'm saying? Regarding, a shoe that if you've been watching my channel, you know I love very near and dear. The Airfare God 1. Got some news for you. Got some first looks for you. But without further ado, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you holler at your boy in the comments. We do talk about. Now, as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get right into it. Yo, so we got news of the Airfare God 1. One of my favorite, pages to follow on IG. Airfare God leaks, whatever, man. I'll put they, link somewhere in the description. You know what I'm saying? They announced that, the Oatmeal colorway of the Airfare God 1, should be arriving. It's quicker than we thought. We thought it was gonna be in December, but it's actually gonna be, first week in November, man. That's in like 2 weeks, right after the Halloween holiday. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be crazy. If you know anything about the Airfare God 1, that's $350 off the hip. Now, your boy got about 5 pairs of those things. I think the only colorway that I don't have that I dropped, originally is the mint colorway. You know what I'm saying? We still on the hunt for that. But of course, with all the fire drops dropping, right now during this time of the year, because it is holiday, 2019. You know what I'm saying? We gonna have to catch that delayed dub, you know what I'm saying, later on down the line, man. But I wanted to come through, to the channel, man, and bless my loyal subscribers with some in-hand first looks of that Oatmeal colorway. Right now, we've only seen pictures and renderings. Being, the guy that I am, rocking with Chicago. Shout out to, one of my favorite spots in the city, Boneyard. You know what I'm saying? We got to get a couple of first in-hand looks of that Oatmeal colorway, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and break it to you. As you can see, somewhere in the channel, man, we kind of gave y'all that first look, as you can kind of see wherever, beside me or however I'm going to edit it in. You know what I'm saying? Really beautiful colorway. Now, if you've been following the PacSun Essentials line, Fear of God Essentials line, you know that Jerry Lorenzo likes to go to this little tan colorway a lot, man. So it only makes sense that he would use this on an Airfare God 1 colorway. It just seems like, as Pyres just, kind of announced that they also will be dropping 3 more, in addition to this colorway, 3 more additional colorways of the Airfare God 1, that they're getting rid of, all the other, models all together, man. So I think Nike, Jerry Lorenzo, they've been settled in to the model that's just gonna go. It's gonna make it happen. And, I ain't mad at them. You know what I'm saying? So I think this colorway is cool. They've also gotten back to the original, kind of ballistic nylon and the leather suede, kind of material on the forefront, man. Me personally, having all the different types from the OG gray with the leather on leather to the mesh and the leather to the mesh and the nylon material, I'm actually a fan of the nylon material. It's just much more comfortable. But if you're paying $350 for a shoe, I understand why you need that leather to go ahead, be blessed and be up on that thing. So yeah, man, they I guess they listen, Jerry, listening to the people, and they're gonna give you that quality that you deserve. You know what I'm saying? This is a really cool colorway, perfect for the fall. Definitely gonna, get some fits off, man. I definitely got some ideas in mind, man. And then the wifey, she definitely loved the Airfare God 1 too. So, I got 5, maybe this time around we can go ahead and bless her with that 9, that size 9, man. Yeah, it's tough out here, but we're gonna see if we can make it happen, man. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about first thoughts, first looks at this Airfare God 1 and this Oatmeal colorway. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all dug the in-hand, pics, and just give y'all a better idea and feel how the shoe is actually gonna look. You know what I'm saying? It's Sunday, go Bears. We rocking. You know what I'm saying? Who that? They ain't nobody. I love y'all New Orleans, but y'all going down today. It's all about them Bears. Come on, Trubisky, get it together. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking. Gang, gang, bang, bang. Join the Flu Gang family. We out.
Chicago.